Hey, food warriors! Ever started a diet and ended up rage-eating a family-sized bag of chips by day 3? You're not alone. I'm guilty as charged. Hi, I'm True Lose Zone, and today we're diving into the top 3 easiest diets that actually stick. No kale smoothies or carb exorcisms required. We're talking Mediterranean, and Flexitarian. Diets so popular they've topped charts for years, backed by science for heart health, weight loss, and that glow-up vibe. Why these? Per US News 2025 rankings, they're number 1-3 for ease and effectiveness. But here's the tea. 80% of dieters flop not from willpower, but dumb, fixable mistakes. I'll spill the beans, chickpeas, on those too, with zero judgment. Stick around for sample meals, pro tips, and my epic fail stories. Hit like if you're ready to eat like a boss, subscribe for more no BS health hacks, and let's feast wisely. First up, the Mediterranean diet, reigning champ for 8 years straight. Picture this. You're not dieting. You're vacationing on a plate. It's all about whole foods from the sunny shores of Italy and Greece. Fruits, veggies, whole grains, olive oil as your BFF, fatty fish like salmon, nuts, legumes, and a splash of red wine if you're feeling fancy. Moderate dairy and poultry? Sure. Red meat? Save it for special occasions. Why it slays? Harvard studies show it slashes heart disease risk by 30%, torches belly fat, and fights diabetes. It's flexible, no calorie apps needed. Just fill half your plate with plants, drizzle that liquid gold, olive oil, and boom, sustainable bliss. Sample day, breakfast, Greek yogurt with berries and walnuts. Lunch, quinoa salad with feta, tomatoes, cucumbers, and olives. Dinner, grilled salmon with roasted veggies and hummus. Snack, apple slices with almond butter. Total calories? Around 1,800–2,000, but who's counting? But beware the pitfalls. Mistake number 1. Thinking it's a free-for-all pasta party. Nope, it's whole grains, not al dente regret. I once carb-loaded on white bread till I looked like a bloated tourist. Swap for barley or farro to keep blood sugar steady. Mistake number 2. Skimping on the gold. Olive oil. People swap it for cheap canola and wonder why they're not glowing. Extra virgin olive oil's antioxidants are the secret sauce. Use 2 to 3 tablespoons daily. Pro tip, dress salads like you mean it. If you're a busy bee, start with meatless Mondays. It'll hook you. Who's trying this? Drop A in the comments. Diet number 2. That's dietary approaches to stop hypertension, not a sprint to the fridge. Born in the 90s to battle high blood pressure, it's now number 2 overall for its chill vibes and family appeal. Focus: fruits, veggies, low-fat dairy, lean proteins, whole grains, nuts. The villain? Sodium. Cap it at 2,300 ml daily, ideally 1,500. No food bans, just smarter swaps. Science Flex. NIH trials prove it drops blood pressure 8 to 14 points in weeks, cuts stroke risk by 20%, and aids weight loss without feeling deprived. It's like your heart's personal bodyguard. Easy meal map. Breakfast, oatmeal with banana and skim milk. Lunch, turkey wrap in whole wheat tortilla with spinach, avocado, and mustard. Dinner, baked chicken stir-fry with broccoli, carrots, brown rice. Snack, yogurt parfait with unsalted almonds. Keeps you fueled at 1-800-CALLS. Common crashers? Mistake number 1. Ignoring hidden sodium bombs. That healthy canned soup? 800 milliliters per bowl. Poof, there goes your progress. I learned the hard way after a ramen relapse that left me puffy as a balloon animal. Hack: rinse canned beans, choose fresh herbs over salt, and read labels like a detective. Mistake number 2. Forgetting the dairy dash. Low-fat milk or yogurt isn't optional. Calcium teams up with potassium from bananas to chill your arteries. skip it, and you're half-assing the magic. Bonus: flavored yogurts without added sugar keep it fun. Dash is perfect for beginners. Track sodium for a week with a free app, then autopilot. Feeling the pump? Thumbs up if Dash is your jam. Number 3. Flexitarian, the flexible vegetarian that's risen like sourdough in popularity. It's 90% plants, veggies, fruits, whole grains, legumes, with occasional flex for poultry, fish, or eggs. Red meat? Rare treat. No rules, just ease into meatless with joy. Why it's popping. Environmental win, cuts carbon footprint 20%. Plus, studies in The Lancet link it to 15% lower diabetes risk and steady weight loss. It's forgiving, perfect for pizza-loving skeptics like me. Quick wins: breakfast, smoothie with spinach, banana, chia seeds, and a splash of plant milk. Lunch, lentil soup with whole grain bread. Dinner, veggie stir-fry with tofu and quinoa, or sub and shrimp if you're flexing. Snack, hummus with carrot sticks. 1700, 2000 cals, plant-powered. Slip-ups to sidestep. Mistake. Rule 1. Going cold turkey on meat without protein backups. I tried, got hangry, and raided the fridge at midnight. Hello, soy rizo salvation? Stock beans, eggs, or Greek yogurt to stay full and muscly. Mistake number 2. Junkifying the flex. That turkey bacon? Processed peril. Opt for real bird or skip. Keep it clean to reap the gut health perks from fiber. Fun hack: Meatless Taco Tuesday with Beyond Meat for cheat day feels without the guilt. Flexitarian's your gateway drug to better eating. Who's flexing with me? Comment your first swap. There you have it. Mediterranean for that vacay glow, Dash for heart hero status, and Flexitarian for no-pressure plants. Pick one that vibes, start small, track wins, and laugh off the flops. Remember, diets aren't prisons, they're playgrounds. Biggest takeaway? Consistency over perfection. Ditch the mistakes, embrace the eats, and you'll feel unstoppable. Which diet's calling your name? Drop it below, smash like if this saved your snack game, and subscribe for weekly wellness with a side of sass. Always check the description area. Go get that glow. See you next time. Stay delicious.